Hi everyone, it's Dr. Matt Weimer, Interim President and CEO and Chief Medical Officer here at Valley Health Systems. I want to start by thanking everybody who was involved with our events throughout National Health Center Week. And we'll talk about those events a little bit here in the next minute or two. But I want to talk a little bit about why we celebrate National Health Center Week, because we as a community health center are part of a system, a network of healthcare providers that's really unique. And we're going to do a little brief history lesson initially. So that uniqueness that we get to enjoy is because the system that we work in was really born out of the civil rights movement in the 1960s, really coming from the war on poverty. And so I think we're situated in such a way that we can continue to live out the mission that was born in the 1960s with that history being in our background and in our blood. Health centers have grown over those years since the early to mid 1960s, such that we are part of a network of 1,400 health centers across the country. And in the community health center system, there are over 31.5 million patients being served in the US. And so it's gone from what started in a couple of small clinics in two different parts of the country to a system of 1,400 plus health centers across the entire country. And so that's reason to celebrate when you think about National Health Center Week. I think it's also important to remember what really our mission is. So we are here to provide high quality, affordable, comprehensive care in primary care, in behavioral health, in dentistry, and in other areas, as you all know. And we do that for all people, regardless of their ability to pay. But really anybody can walk through our doors and can be seen at Valley Health. And so that's also a reason to celebrate. And as we look back at National Health Center Week, we're thinking about the different individuals who we're celebrating as part of this system. Our staff, all of you, our patients, other stakeholders and people who are supporters of the work that we do, which is why the week that we just finished has days that celebrate different components of this system. Looking back over National Health Center Week here at Valley Health, we started off our week with a really wonderful event at the Huntington City Mission, which was on Monday, the day that celebrated healthcare for people experiencing homelessness. And I was able to visit that event and really see the incredible things that our staff and providers were doing with some community partners as well for a very vulnerable population in Huntington. Moving on further into the week, we held an event at our Hurricane Health Center in celebration of Patient Appreciation Day. And I was also able to visit there with an important friend and partner from HRSA, and really got to see our staff from the Hurricane Health Center and from other Valley Health locations really shining in the event that was held for patients. We celebrated Stakeholder Appreciation Day with the grand reopening of our food fair location, and really, again, to see what that site has become over the years, to see the really dedicated providers and staff who worked there and who were there that day, was really special and a really important thing to highlight. And we wrapped up the week on Children's Health Day on Saturday with a really incredible event, our 4th annual back to school event for children. This year's theme was World of Sports, and the dedicated team of more than 80 volunteers and about 40 to 50 and perhaps more community partners and vendors and people representing various services provided by Valley Health were there to serve the community. The last count that I heard, there were over 440 people in attendance. And again, this included health education, a lot of fun activities, some free food and giveaways, linking patients and families to services that they may not have been aware of or they may not have known how to access. And so really hats off to our really dedicated team of people who put that together. It was an incredible event. It's gotten bigger and bigger each year that we've done it, and we will look forward to the next occurrence because I think it's going to continue to grow. So again, it's important to remember our history and what we're all about, where we came from as a movement, as community health centers. I think it's important to celebrate the work that we're doing today and to be excited about the future. So I hope everybody had a good National Health Center Week. I hope that every day we can remember some of the things that we celebrate during Health Center Week, and we will look forward to having an even better week next year. Thanks.
Valley Health Southside.
And we're Valley Health. South Charleston Pediatrics, Charleston location.
And we are Valley Health Canalwick.
Happy National Health Sunday Week from Valley Health Coordinating Nurses. My name is Nancy.
This is Carly. I'm Maddie.
I'm Tasha. And I'm Shannon.
We're A Referral Girls.
Hey Facebook friends, this is Rachel Lively from Valley Health. We are here at our back to school event with Interim Presbyterian Park and Church. We are excited to have different vendors here today. Our Interim President and CEO, Dr. Mathew Weimer, is in the dunk tank now, so